So welcome back, and in part 2 we're just going to explain to you what this code does here. Okay, because there's lots here and I don't want to confuse you too much. Okay, so this is basically one long sequence of lines of code. Okay, the first one, so this code is on the monkey here, so that's why it's highlighted here. And what this code does, it says go to -204. That's basically, to 0, y equals 0. It's basically telling this character to go and locate itself at that reference. Okay, the references are, you can see down here. So as my mouse moves around, the reference number changes. It then says wait for 2 seconds. Okay, and then it asks you your name. Okay, and that's done in this section here. Then what we want to do is we want to be able to store that name for later use. So we use something called a variable. Okay, and a variable allows you to store things, store data or so on for later use. Okay, because we can maybe repeat that name back in some code. So what we've done is, and you don't need to do this, but I'm just explaining it to you, is that the name one, okay, is you set the name variable, so you make up the main variable to whatever the answer is above. Okay, so ask what your name is, and whatever that answer is, it goes in that name variable. Okay. Okay, the next part, okay, and this is sort of going back to the first 2 boot camps, is say and then join. So this is a join here, join hello and name. Okay, that's just putting that variable name back in there for 4 seconds. Okay, explaining what the program does. Okay, and then here just setting the variables up for the program. So we're going to have some scoring in here. So if they get it right, they get points. If they get it wrong, they get points up as well. Okay, and this multiple is a new variable, okay, which is going to hold whatever number, whatever the multiple is going to be by. You'll see later in the program. So you know something times 1, something times 2, something times 2. That something is going to be the multiple. We're going to start that at 0, okay, and you'll see why in a moment. The next part is to ask the user what number they want to practice. So say my 12 times table is really bad. Okay, so they type in 12. And whatever they type in, their answer is set to the number. Okay, the number. Okay, so when that's run, okay, this is what it looks like. It puts in what's your name, Mr. C. Hello, Mr. C. So it's running down the sequence of code here. This is my year 3 maths. Can you see where we're here? Here we are here. There we are there. Okay, the score has been set up. Why is it saying Mr. C? That's a. Oh, I see what I've done. Just take that off there. Score. Put that up there. And then please enter the number you want to practice. Okay, so I want to practice number 12. Okay, and it does nothing because there's no more code. All right, so part 3 is all about getting that code ready, and I hope that's been useful. Thanks for watching.